objection, Mr. Chair. I will question. You're not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Matindi ito. Magandang kalakayan ito. Attorney versus Police. Si Senador Rodante Marcoleta at si Lacson. Nagkainitan. Kasi nagtanong si Senador Rodante Marcoleta tungkol sa judicial question kay Lacson, pero umiiwas siya sa tanong. Nainis siya, nagalit. A prejudicial question is an issue in a civil case that is so closely related to a criminal case that its resolution is a necessary prerequisite to the criminal case proceeding, requiring a decision from a different court or tribunal before the criminal case can continue. The existence of a prejudicial question allows for the suspension of the criminal case to await the outcome of the civil matter, preventing conflicting decision between the two courts. Naipit sa tanong ni Senador Marcoleta. Ito po, panuorin po natin, pakinggan. Inaawat si Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Pinapakalma ng kanyang mga kasamahan. Kasi si Lacson, wala eh, naipit eh.
Oh, no!
May iwas sa tanong. Ito, panuorin natin.
Are you ready? Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions,
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion. That
I am
is
not
my
questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's
chairman
not
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your president.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh,
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
May kagat tayo rin.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating. I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceeding. If you will not allow me raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
So, Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Why did you choose, for example, Bryce?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung, what's your...
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you so protective of the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protecting of the Discayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceeding, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed. Go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceeding. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay na po bang makapag-delete po siya?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay bilang ginawa ng maraming tanong mga nakakaroon ng tagaw. Itong mga profesional ng institusyon na taon. Bali, itong araw-araw, ako po yung nakapag-isip-isip. Tumulong na lamang po sa institusyon ko para sa bayan. Narito po.
Ayun! Oh, di ba? Linaw. Talaga namang naipit siya sa tanong ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Talaga naman. Eh, naisingit pa niya bakit daw niya pinoproteksyonan si Sara Diskaya. Sabi niya, hindi ko pinoproteksyonan. O, buti na itanong mo yan. Yan ang sagot ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Matindi talaga yung abogado pagka yung batas ang pinag-uusapan. Talagang yung batas, yun ang papahiralin niya. Pati si Soto na tameme kasi alam nila yung batas eh. Kaharap nila yung abogado ay wala na. Talagang natameme silang lahat. Talagang nasukol si Lacson kay Senador Rodante Marcoleta.